Everyone, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope everybody's doing great. Happy weekend sa tanan. I'm gonna cook today a simple bukid style utan or ginisang utan. Mix na ako ang akong ingredients. I only have here snow peas, green beans, kalabasa, squash, and cabbage. Wash na siya, so ready na siya. I have my onion and sili as well as tomato. And putangan na ako siya unya og oyster as well as this sauce. I don't know how to pronounce this. So, I'm gonna gisa today. I already added this sauce, guys, and an oyster sauce, and I also place a little salt. So I'm gonna drop tomato as well as my sili. Drop na to. I'm sorry about that sound.